This video was produced by the Finnish Workers Compensation Center. Working underneath heavy machinery and equipment supported by hydraulic systems involves significant risks. A malfunction can cause a machine, or part of a machine, to suddenly lower or collapse. When these accidents occur, they often result in serious injuries, and investigations frequently reveal shortcomings in machine safety. The most important way to prevent these accidents is to ensure proper mechanical support. Support equipment must be suitable for the task, in good condition, and readily available. There should also be a clear process for the maintenance, storage, and use of supports. Accident investigations involving machine safety have identified a broader issue. The safety of some machines relies heavily on users following operating instructions. Machines placed on the market should be inherently safe by design, reducing risks arising from misuse or unexpected situations. Once a machine is put into operation, responsibility for safety shifts to the employer and user. They must identify and assess any residual risks that have not been eliminated through the machine's design. This can be challenging. Employees must be thoroughly trained, and safety must never be compromised to speed up the work. Machine safety can be improved through close cooperation between manufacturers and users. By working together, we can identify risks more effectively and develop safer solutions. Let's make machine safety better, together. This video was produced by the Finnish Workers Compensation Center.